Wait.
What?
Wait.
But you didn't do anything! You didn't do anything! I literally don't get it.
Give a round of applause for the amazing feeling!
He's in the box. He's that
What's up YouTube, Bryan Kennedy here. I've been wanting to try starting this vlog for a while, but time is not on my side for this because of all the editing that's involved and the cutting of the film and all that good stuff. Putting it all together just takes forever, but I'm here, I'm doing it, and I'm filming, and I'm editing, and it's gonna happen. Putting it together. This week has been crazy. It really started on Tuesday because a lot of my time is just spent doing answer emails, update website, respond to people, more computer typing all day. What I love about this week is just that everything I did this week is like a different type of performance. I did everything from close-up magic to kids magic this week, and I got some demonstrations of all of them so you can really see like the difference that you get in the different performance styles. Magic is so unique because you can go anywhere and entertain somebody. If you have a stage performance like an aerial act or juggling, you need your juggling stuff, you need your stuff. But as a magician, you can do it anywhere you want. In this week, you see me perform at this huge kids show. You see me just perform silently for a camera. You see me perform close-up magic for real people, which is just awesome. But Tuesday, I got hired as a personal trainer, magic trainer, which I've done before, but I hadn't done it for a while. And this guy was about my age. And he's like, "What can you bring that'll impress my friends?" So I went and I dug through all my magic stuff. I made a little montage, and you can tell me if these tricks are pretty cool. Then I gotta go through all my close-up magic stuff here and figure out what I want to do. All right, let's start making a pile. Everybody needs a rubber band ball. Rubber band ball. Rubber band ball. Yeah, Venom. Oh yeah, gotta bring that. Gotta use the firewall. Always gonna bring that. Oh yeah, punches. So that montage got cut short because I went outside to grab my close-up case, and I had left a Coca-Cola bottle that I use as a prop inside of there. It's made of glass, and apparently glass does not get along with cold weather, and it exploded and basically just made my case disgusting and sticky. Thanks, Illinois weather. I'm really Illinoised right now. I ended up having to spend the rest of the time cleaning that and not doing magic tricks for a camera. So, I need coffee. I drink a lot of caffeine, especially because I drive a lot. I don't know what it is, but I just like need to take a sip of something every once in a while. I can stop anytime. Thursday, I had to do a huge school show. I do a lot of corporate stuff, so it's always weird when you go from the corporate thing back to the kids stuff, but I think I jumped right back into it pretty well. I even came up with this hilarious new idea where every kid I brought up on stage, I did a fist bump and made an appearing cane appear.
First, take up, fist bump, perfect. Fist bump. Okay. Carefully. I'm just kidding, there's nothing there.
I even used this drawer trick that I actually created myself. I used an old concept for these wands that apparently nobody sells anymore, so I had to make them. And I'm not really that great at sewing, so you'll probably see they're a little sloppy. But the trick overall had a pretty awesome reaction. Check it out.
Let's try it out. I want you to wave the wand and say abracadabra. Go ahead, Felix. Wave the wand. The drawer fills up with... Felix is a problem. I know what the problem is. Wand's too small. Felix, I think you need a bigger wand. Please try this one. Felix, wave the wand. Carefully. And say the magic words. And look the box magically. What do we need? All right, Felix, hop up on here. Hop up on my trunk there. Hop up there. We need some height for you. Now, Felix, be careful where you point that thing. Felix, wave the wand. And say the magic words, Felix. Now, feast your eyes. I'll check for us. It is full. Good job, Felix. Here you go. I'll just show Felix. Right, Felix. He says yes, too. I'll show you what's in the box. But when I do, if there's something in there, you guys gotta give Felix the biggest round of applause of his life, right? All right, I'm gonna show you. Are you ready? Are you ready? I showed you. All right, here we go. Look what? Let's give a round of applause for the amazing Felix.
So you guys can see exactly how I set up this illusion. It kind of builds right after itself, and it ends up in this big, giant reveal thing. With stage magic, that's what you got to do. You can't just have a trick to trick to trick. It's got to build to something. So on Friday, I got to go see my buddy's band and perform close-up magic at their gig. And I love these guys. These three guys always put on an awesome show. You got Kai, who's just crazy on the bass, just boom, 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 boom. And then you got Buddy, who's an amazing guitarist. People say I have pretty strong, dexterous fingers, but playing guitar really takes some dexterity. I mean, you just watch Buddy and he's just... And then my other friend, this guy I've known for like 10 years, I call him Cactus, they call him Johnny Eyebrows. He is amazing at the drums. Just insane talent. And not only talent, he just naturally has this like entertainment to him. Like this is what he did during the show.
Everybody!
I just can't get over the boom, 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 boom. I love that. And that face at the end.
Everybody!
Just awesome. Yeah, so while they were setting up for their next set, I was going around doing some close-up magic to some people. I was sitting next to some friends, and across from us was somebody we didn't know. My friends mentioned to them that, oh, he does magic. So this trick is actually a combination of 2 tricks that I created. Magic is so situational. The more you learn, the more situations you can do magic in. And I was sitting at a table, so I couldn't do the routines I normally do. Normally when I do close-up magic, I walk, table to table. But in this case, I was sitting down, so I had to do a totally different method for this trick that I like doing. I did a combination of the Ambitious card and James Brown's card to box. If you watch that card to box thing, you will definitely figure out exactly how I do it if you watch a few times. You probably won't pick it up the first time you watch it because the psychology is just so strong. But my cameraman kind of filmed the wrong areas for this trick. But you can see how magic works, how your mind can be so focused on something that it doesn't work. Now this kind of a magic trick, it doesn't really fade well for camera, but I love the psychology behind it. I love that when you're live with somebody, you can make their focus point so small that they don't notice anything going on around them. Their brain will fill in those gaps for them. Your eye only sees so much. So check it out.
Write your name, your Facebook password, your account information right there. All right, just your name, I guess. And your credit card number. All right. I will take the marker. Oh, you capped it. I just wanted one more. Now, the idea with this is, the card's got backwards. Every time you say go, your card's going to go from the middle up through all the other cards to the top. But only when you say go. It doesn't work when I do it. So go ahead. Did you see it go? I'll do it again. Help me out by picking up half of those cards. Put it back on top. Now, I'm not even touching it, right? Just say go. I will go slow. I'll go slow. If I go too fast, you can say, Brian, you're going too fast. My girlfriend yells at me all the time. It's fine. That's a joke. I don't have a girlfriend. Look,
I know, I'm trying to set you up, but you won't let me, so.
I didn't say that. It never works out here. Tell you what, you push that in. Come on. All right. This gets worse. Hold out your hand like this. The clean hand. Put your hand on top. Like how she switched. She didn't even think about it. Put your hand on top. Say go. Did you feel it go? You know? Check it out. Wait. That would have been pretty cool, right? Do you know where I put the card? No. I put it underneath the box. I'll do it again. Watch close. Goes into the deck. Jumps. One. My bad. That was the deck. That was the deck. The deck. He's like removing his glasses. You want to keep those on. They're not doing any good, so why not? Well, yeah, I could just go. No, alright. I'm going to put your card back in the center like this. I'll do this slowly. Watch. Actually, hold out your hand. Yeah, right there. Watch. It's going to go under your hand. That would be good, right? Watch. Did you feel it? Look, watch. That would have been cool. You know I messed up.
You did?
Yeah, it goes inside the box. We'll get it. I can do it one more time. Watch the card, the deck, and the box. Card, deck, and the box. The deck. Did you see it go? I messed up. No. The deck is in the box.
So guys, I hope you guys like that. If you haven't already, subscribe. I am doing a magic class, so in the next week, you're gonna see those videos popping up. They're basically to take you from not knowing anything at all in terms of magic to getting you started in magic. How to find things, how to I'm not gonna give away secrets that are materials of other magicians. But I am going to tell you the resources and how you can figure out how to do those things, how you can figure out how to learn them. I'm really more interested in teaching somebody who wants to actually try out magic than somebody who just wants to know the secret. I don't care if you want to know the secret. I care if you want to try this stuff. Trying this stuff live is so much more entertaining than just knowing the secret. If you're just somebody out there who just wants to know the secret, you're just going to be disappointed no matter what, because it's not about the secret, it's about the entertainment behind it. So I'll see you guys later. Until next week, adios.